I am Nita Sharma from PM Expert. In this lesson, we will build an intuitive picture of z-scores and percentiles for normal distributions. We will see the bell curve, learn the z-score formula, and then do two examples. First, compute a z-score and its percentile. Second, find a raw score from a given percentile. Here is the standard normal bell curve. The center at z equals 0 is the mean. 1, 2, and 3 standard deviations mark how spread out the data is. Notice that most of the area is near the center. The z-score converts any raw value into standard deviation units. The formula is z equals x minus mu divided by sigma. Z tells you how many sigmas above or below the mean your value is. Example 1. Suppose the mean is 75, the standard deviation is 10, and your score is 82. First compute the z-score. Z equals 82 minus 75 over 10, which is 0.7. On the bell curve, 0.7 is to the right of center. The percentile is the area to the left of z. Using the normal CDF, the percentile is about 75.8%. That means you scored higher than about 76% of the population. Now, let us reverse the process. If you are given a percentile, you can find the corresponding z value, and then the raw score using x equals mu plus z times sigma. This is the key bridge between z-space and raw scores. Example 2. Find the 90th percentile raw score when the mean is 75 and sigma is 10. First, find the z value where the area to the left is 0.90. That z is about 1.28. Next, compute x equals mu plus z times sigma. That is x equals 75 plus 1.28 times 10, which is about 87.8. So the 90th percentile is approximately 87.8. Quick summary. Z-score equals x minus mu over sigma. Percentile equals the area to the left under the standard normal curve. To go back, find z from the percentile, then compute x equals mu plus z times sigma. Thank you for learning with me. I am Nita Sharma from PM Expert. Keep practicing, and z-scores will soon feel natural.